Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a 100% honest Temu slime review. We have 7 slimes and 2 squishies ranging from $5 to $11 each. Before we begin, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you like these slime reviews, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. This first slime is Space Rocks. It was $10.49. It is a 10 ounce and it has no scent. The colors on this were so pretty and it was so fun to mix. As you can see here, it was a little bit hard to stretch. Other than that, the slime was super foldable and the bubble pops were really nice. It also was really bouncy. This next slime is Amazing Putty. It was $6.64 and it was 90 grams, but it came half empty. This was unscented, but it did smell kind of like burnt rubber. I actually kind of like the color on this one, and it had a bit of a cloudy / sandy texture, but it did leave a little bit of residue, as you guys can see. This next one is Strawberry Banana. It was $10.20 and it's an 8 ounce. This was also unscented, and I will say this slime was pretty wet. I did really like the color combination, and I love the addition of the female slices as well. Similar to the last slime, this one also left a little bit of an oily residue. Now for the chicken taba squishy, this was $5.74. It does leave a slight residue when you take it out of the bag, but it was actually really fun to squish. And I also haven't really felt anything similar to this before. This next slime is a fruit smoothie. It was $11.08 and it's a 6 ounce. This was unscented, and let me tell you, the texture of this was very rubbery. I did enjoy adding all the sprinkles and the charm to it though. I feel like the slime theme was on point though, and the colors actually really went well together. Yeah, girl, this slime definitely had no stretch to it. So if you're looking for a rock hard putty, girl, this is the slime for you, let me tell you. And with that, I will be bouncing her away. This next one is a 3-piece random slime pack. It was $9.49, so it was $3 each, which is pretty affordable. These were unscented and yet again, super rubbery as well, so it was a little bit of a letdown. I did really like the pigment on this one. I thought it was super pretty. It was also one of the stretchier slimes. I did really like the color and glitter mix on this one, but it was not giving stretch. If I had to describe it, it's generally just like one of those slime boxes that you get at Target or Walmart. And as you guys can see, it was leaving some glitter on my hands as well. This one had a very unique Shrek color to it, and it also had a pretty nice gloss. And are we surprised again? It's rubbery and not stretchy. And because of that, we're just gonna bounce her away. This next one is a lemon boba slime. It was $7.06 and it was a 4-ounce. Sadly, this one was unscented because I was really looking forward to a lemon boba scent. And it was rubbery. The beads fell out occasionally, but it wasn't too bad. If you are looking for a slime ball to bounce around, girly, this is the one for you. Now we have a dog squishy. It was $2.76. This one was super fun to squish, and I think it was so cute. I mean, just look at it. I think this one is one of the ones that is worth your coins. This last one is Gem Squish, and it was $9.27. When I tell you this is so overpriced, I mean, it was fun to squish, but are we looking at this? This does not look like it's worth $10. I mean, I could have made this on my own. Overall, this was not my best Temu slime experience. The listings definitely make it a bit hard to see the actual product you're going to receive. For the money, I would have much rather spent it on a small slime shop. I might be a bit biased, but a few extra dollars goes a long way with the quality, the scents, and the textures. Oh, and what a coincidence. We did just stock our shop, and there's tons of new slimes, so make sure to check out the link in our bio. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.